Hi guys, today I'm going to introduce you to the Hobby P5 heat press. We're going to work with it with a DTF sticker on a t-shirt. So let's do it. All you need to do is push this little button, hold it in for it to go on. Wait. Okay, so let's look at a bit of the features that you have on your heat press. First, you're going to push your settings button. Then you have your temperatures. You can set your temperatures a bit higher, a bit lower, either way that will work for you and your t-shirt. Then you're going to press your settings again for it to set to that correct temperature. You're going to press it another time to go to your seconds. That means how long it will take to press the t-shirt. You can either set it to go a bit higher or a bit lower, just depending on the t-shirt. As soon as you are comfortable with that settings, you just press it again and then it will go automatically to the correct temperature and the settings that you will need. Now all you need to do is wait for the temperature to go to the correct temperature and go up, and then you are ready to press. Now we have our heating pad. This is where your t-shirt lies on for you to be able to heat press on it. First you will need your t-shirt. Then we have our DTF print. Make sure that your t-shirt is correctly lined up and no wrinkles. Then you will need your Teflon sheet so you do not burn your t-shirt or your designing. Then you are all prepped and ready to start your heat pressing. Alright, so it's up to temperature. It is beeping, it means it's ready. We can start the pressing. So now you just press your button for it to start counting down. Okay, there we're at 3 seconds. So now just wait for the beeping and then we are done. And we put it back onto the station so it cannot burn anything. Now your heat pressing is done. We first need to wait for the t-shirt to cool down a bit. So as soon as it is cold, because DTF is only cold peel, then you are ready to take it off. And there is your picture. Alright, so that was quite cool to doing this t-shirt. Let's take a look at the attachment this heat press comes with. This is where the attachments needs to plug in. And the attachments that we do have is firstly our cup press, and then you get your cap press. Alright, let's start with our mug press. Firstly, you're going to want to plug it in. You have a little screw to make sure it is fixated in there. Then your mug press does have a latch to open up with. Firstly, you're going to set your temperatures again to make sure that it is on the correct one, so you can see it is already picking up to the correct temperature. As soon as it's nice and warm, you are ready to put in your cup, and you can put it in there and start your pressing. So it does have a locking feature, so it will not be able to fall out and to keep it right in place. Alright, so I just used this cup for the demonstration purposes. Now we can move on to the cap press. Okay, so the cap press also get plugged into it like exactly the same way. You just screw it on to fixate it a bit. Then you will need for your temperatures to get to the correct temperature to use your cap press. The temperature will need to go up until about 150, just like the t-shirts, for you to be able to have a sufficient press on the caps. While we are waiting for the temperature to reach its temperature, we can start prepping our caps. So firstly, you can either choose, do you want to press it like that, or would you rather like to press it like that? Today we will choose to press it as like this. Going to use a little AM.CO logo, and then we can heat press it onto your cap. Just make sure that you do align and move your fingers out of the way. Now you're just going to press for it to start your time. Okay, so now it's counting down. Whenever you hear the beeping, then you know it is ready. With DTF, remember you need to cold peel it. So you just have to wait for it to get a bit cold. Okay, so it is ready and you can just peel it off. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video of the Hobby P5 and its attachments. And as you can see, the result was amazing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll catch you in the next one.
AI may eventually take over, but what's for certain is that smart machines are already operating all over the world right now. So stay ahead with AM.CO.za. For 11 years, they've been the leader in CNC and printing machines like CNC routers, large format printers, vinyl cutters, laser cutters, plasma cutters, DTF printers, and many more. Visit am.co.za showrooms in Sunny Rock, Joburg, and Montague Gardens, Cape Town, or WhatsApp hi to 060 600 6000 for more info. am.co.za. Achievement matters.